Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are going on another adventure, and today we are going to be putting on some lash extensions. And you guys have had so many questions about like where I get my lash extensions done and like who does them. And so I currently live in LA, Los Angeles. If you guys are interested in anyone in the LA area, let me put my hair down. Don't mind the craziness. I'm going to look like thing one, and that's just my motto nowadays. Another thing to know, if you live in LA, people do not know how to freaking drive. Today I'll be going to my LA lash tech, and as you guys know, I do have 2 lash techs, so I'm often all the time in LA because, you know, that's where I live. And then also I am in like the Orange County, Lakewood, Long Beach area, like in that other side, that other region, which is like an hour away. So if you guys are closer to that side, then I do have another lash tech, which her name is Lashed by Maria. So my LA lash tech, I'm sorry, I didn't even introduce her. Her name is Lashed by Cindy, and she is amazing. By the way, she's my cousin. She's my beautiful, lovely cousin, and I love her. I trust her with my whole lash needs. I do need 2 lash techs. I know it sounds a little dramatic, but I trust them both equally, and they both have their certifications. They're both amazing and completely qualified for all your lash needs. I will also film my experience with Maria as well. I will film that process too if you guys are interested, just so you guys can get a taste of like both. If you guys live in the LA area, this video will definitely benefit you. If you guys live in, you know, that other side, like the Orange County, Lakewood, Los Alamitos, Long Beach area, then the Lashed by Maria video will definitely benefit you guys. Cindy just recently got her suite in Sherman Oaks, so I'm going to be one of her first clients out here in LA, and I'm so hyped about it. I love getting my lashes done, and the reason why I'm gonna kind of make this a little bit informative and also fun and vlog style for you guys, so it's not boring and you guys can also learn from it. I always get so many questions about it, like does it rip your eyelashes out, does it damage your eyelashes, and how long do they last? So I will answer some questions with Cindy just so you guys can hear it from the professional. I'm gonna answer from my standpoint. So with my experience with only Cindy and Maria, my eyelashes do not get damaged. They leave them feeling just like how they were before. They leave them feeling very healthy and just like nothing even ever happened to them. So a lot of the time I love getting lash extensions purely because I love the way that they look, and on top of that it does help like literally by 50% how fast I get ready, and it's just so much more convenient because I feel like I take the longest when it comes to eyes. So if I have my lash extensions on, it feels like I don't even really need makeup either, so I can go out of the door and go to like, you know, anything that I'm doing that day, film videos, go to meetings even if I wanted to, with no makeup, and I'll just have my lash extensions on. So sorry, I'm trying to cross the street. We're almost there, guys. Sherman Oaks is such a nice area. Like, it's just so calm and scrumptious. So this is like a perfect area for her to have her suite. I feel like it's just like very nice. Also make sure to book Cindy up real quick because she is booking up fast, and she literally just like opened up her suite not too long ago. All the stuff that you guys need to like book her down below, and also her Instagram, her, you know, all that stuff, so you guys don't have to really go through the hassle. We're headed there now, and I'll let her do the talking. I'll try to film as much of the process as possible just because I don't want to be in her way. I always have lots of fun whenever I'm getting my lashes done with her, and it's never awkward. She's a very like great talkative person, very sociable, and also if you want to sleep, you can sleep. She's not going to bother you taking your lash nap. It's so nice getting your lashes done because you'll have a therapy session as soon as you walk in. You'll lay on the bed, get sleepy, and in like an hour and a half or 2 you'll wake up with nice, beautiful, voluminous lashes. All right, so we are now approaching the area. If you guys want to see, this is kind of like what it looks like. Yes, sir. So I've arrived to the area, and oh my god, guys, I can't even explain to you how proud I am of Cindy. Oh, hello, my lash tech. So cute. Right? How cute. So cute. Oh wow. Did you put this decoration up?
I'm actually going to need you to sign this consent form.
Oh, look up, baby. I always get questions like if after I got them done that I ripped them out, but I just want them to hear from a professional.
So basically, yeah, there's this common myth that people's eyelashes get damaged whenever they get their lashes done, and it rips out their natural lash, or when they see them come off, they see like a lash stuck to it, so they think their eyelashes are falling out. But basically the answer to that is the only way they're going to be damaged is if the person doing it is putting them on wrong. When you're doing eyelashes, you have to, the most important thing is to isolate and make sure that you're attaching lashes only to one single natural lash. So when people are new to it or they don't really know what they're doing, they're usually attaching it to more than one eyelash. So when your lashes start to grow out, they rip out more than one lash because they're gluing it to more than one lash, and that lash isn't able to just grow off by itself.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. And your lashes naturally shed. They can't naturally shed properly if someone's gluing them on to more than one. Yes. And people do that when they're just starting out or when they're trying to do it really fast and they don't really care for their clients.
Yeah, that's actually happened to me. I went to like 2 different people before, and I noticed that they glued one single lash to like 4 or 5 of my lashes. I noticed that that's when they got ripped out, but yeah, I think that they're just too heavy for my lashes. But
too, yeah, making sure that if someone has really thin, weak lashes, that you're not putting on heavy lashes. A lot of times when people go to nail salons, they tend to not know how to put them on properly, and they put on, like, for example, there's a certain thickness that you should be putting on people's lashes, and when people try to do volume with really thick lashes, that's damaging as well because it weighs down your natural lash.
One eye. Alright, y'all, so my lashes are done. They're so pretty. Thank you to my scrumptious lash tech. I'm gonna show you guys in the mirror because it's way better lighting. Alright guys, so I just finished getting my lashes done. Also, don't mind my hair. It has a mind of its own because it's not straightened. These are my lashes. You guys can't see too well right now just because I'm in the darkness. So funny thing, I was asking Cindy, like, do you want to get McDonald's? And like we've been like trying to be so healthy. I feel like Cindy's been doing better than me. At first I feel like I was one that was kind of like, no, like it's okay, I'll just have this. But now I feel like she's kind of the one that's being healthier. I think this is Cindy's car. Yeah, it is. Moment of truth, if I got a ticket or not. I didn't. Finesse. Okay guys, so I'm gonna head home with Cindy. Cindy's actually Cindy's last client today, so we're gonna head home and make some food. It's taking like everything in me to not get fries from McDonald's. That's like my actual whole addiction. So it's really cold. It is so freaking cold. All right guys, so it is the next day and these are my lashes. Look at how pretty. I'll also insert the picture that I took with them today right here, and I honestly think that that's like one of my favorite pictures now, honestly, because I didn't have anyone to take pictures of me because Cindy she went to work early today and she's not gonna come back till nighttime, and so I just took a picture of myself. I made it. It's weird because I hate front picture because I don't really like my front camera anymore. Even though the iPhone 11 is like really good quality, I still just don't like front camera because it's not nearly as good as the back camera, and the back camera is it just does you justice. It's amazing. So I love using that. So I had to pretend like somebody else was taking the picture of me, and I don't know how I did it. I just kind of like trusted myself and said, okay. Do you guys ever take like selfies on your back camera by yourself? It's really hard. Look at that sun though. You guys can see my lashes better now. So pretty. I got like a mega volume lash, and let me tell you guys, I am living for her. So very happy, very happy. All right guys, so thank you guys so much for watching me trying to get into the little sunspot that there is. I love you guys so much. So as always, if you guys do want to check out Cindy in LA, she is in the Sherman Oaks area, so if you guys want to book her, please do that ASAP because she's amazing. And look at these lashes, like pretty freaking scrumptious. Yeah, love them, love her, and she's an amazing businesswoman. I very much appreciate her professionalism, and I'm not just saying that because of her family. She's so kind, and just, you know, I could go on and on. But if you guys do book her, let me know in the comments down below. I want to see our lash fam grow together, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.